Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So we're just gonna take a look at NAS as usual and see what we can get for the week ahead. So just looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that NAS is by these high prices up here, so it will be much easier selling this pair while we have an opportunity while it's at these high prices, right? And we can see that we have a low right here on the weekly time frame. Let's just head down to the daily. All right, so we do have our high prices and our low prices, okay, and we can see that we also have a high right here. Let's just head down to the 4-hour. All right, so now that we're here on the 4-hour, you can see we have a nice clear picture of what we can expect and what we want to do. All right, so looking at NAS, we can see that we are at these lows right here, okay, so we might get in reaction of these levels right here, okay. We could see price head towards the upside right here, okay, but if price decides to push right below these lows right here, this low over here and this low right here, okay, then I would wait for NAS, let's say around about this region here, okay. Just mark up this candlestick right here. It's a lot of liquidity right there, okay. So if Nasdaq decides to move towards the downside, I would then wait for orders right here, okay, and then put my stop loss right underneath this candlestick right here, okay, and then I would only target the highs and then further upside. All right, but if I'm gonna leave it there, but if Nasdaq decides to push higher, I would wait for price around this region up here, okay. You can see there's a lot of resistance up here. Just head down to the 1 hour, should be clearer there. All right, just mark out this low, yeah, so that you can see we also have a high here and a lot of liquidity, right. Look at it, these candlesticks right here show there is a lot of liquidity right above these highs right here, okay. So then I'm just gonna mark out this right there so that we have a zone, right. Something like that. All right, so then this is on the 1 hour time frame, okay. Obviously we have highs right here, so we have a lot of highs that needs to be broken, and obviously there's liquidity right here. So for my view, I would most likely I'm waiting to sell NAS this region right here, okay, because we know that NAS likes to spike higher before moving towards its initial direction, okay. And obviously this horizontal line is the 4-hour zone that I'll be waiting for longs. Let me just mark out this candlestick right here, right about there. All right, so from my view, I would sell NAS up here, all right, and here I would look for longs. But obviously if we decide to push higher, I would sell NAS close to these highs. Let's mark out this last candlestick high. All right, I would wait for NAS up there and look for sells by this candlestick, and then obviously I'll put my stop loss right above the candlestick's high right there. Okay, but if you use trend lines to trade, then obviously you could see that price, if you connect your trend lines from this low to here, see that we broke out. All right, you can see that we have a touch there, you can see that break right there, and we obviously have a retest of that trend line, and she's fallen. All right, the same thing here. Let's go to the 30-minute. You can see that we could possibly also take this low right there. Okay, and the same thing, have that break, and then obviously you could wait for price to move higher, right, to higher prices. Let me just mark out a zone. Let's remove that. You can see that we have a lot of resistance up here. Okay, so then obviously you could wait for price to push up, retest the trend line, the zone, or there's broken support right here. All right, right there, you can see that we have support here and price broke through. Then you can obviously wait for a retest up here. All right, stop loss just right above the highs, and then your first target would be the start of this trend line. Okay, then if you want to hold, obviously you can hold until this next zone. You can see also we have resistance here, price broke out, retest, and then if she decides to retest up there and fall, you could take your profits right here. All right, this is only 30-minute, only 15 I use that for entries. Okay, so I would feel much more comfortable analyzing on the 1 hour and waiting for price on the 1 hour. All right, so yeah, from my view, guys, to sell NAS, you have these options right here. Okay, you could see what price does by this broken trend line, the retest. If she decides to push higher, we have the zone right here, and if she decides to push much higher than that, obviously we got this liquidity sitting right above these highs, and obviously on the 4 hour we got the order block right here. Okay, it also shows liquidity, and if you look to the left, you can see right above here, yeah, see by those candlesticks, price has also shown some nice movements right here before that drop. All right, so it's also nice liquidity sitting right here. So yeah, guys, that's my view on NAS for the week. To sell NAS above these regions right here. Okay, I will look to see how price reacts, and obviously to go long, I'll wait for price to break below this low right here and see what we get inside this region, to then head towards the upside. Yeah, that's just a short video on what I expect for the week ahead on NAS. If you guys have any questions, or just leave a like or comment, and yeah, share this to your friends if it was helpful, you know, like, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck and good trading, guys. Cheers.